Namaskar and welcome again to my lecture. Today I shall be discussing regarding population education, the basics of it, especially for the higher secondary students. Let us see the meaning and the concept. Based on the Worldometer elaboration of the latest United Nations data, the current population of India is 1.37 billion as of Wednesday, May 20, 2020. So India population is equivalent to 17.7% of the total world population, which is also the second most populous country in the world. So currently there are about 51 births in India in a minute. So Assam is in 15th position with a population of 3.60 crore people in the year 2020. So the concept of population education, it was developed by the American sociologist and Nobel Peace Award winner Alba Medal in the year 1982. So concept of population education, it comes in the wake of excessive growth of population. Population education makes people aware of the process and the consequences of the growth of human population on the quality of life and the environment. This concept is used as a measure to check the population growth. So population education, we can say it is a program through which the rate of increasing population, problem arising out of them, solution of the problems and the ways of controlling population can be known. So population education, it is a program which studies the various situations that emerge everywhere in family, nation and in the world due to the population growth. It provides ways and means to inquire the nature and human beings. It brings awareness to the people to check the probable hardship and misery of life that caused by members of children in the family, increasing number of population in the country, etc. So population education, it provides provision to share family size according to the own desired financial capabilities so that a happy and healthy life can be enjoyed by all the members of the family. We also can say that population education makes people understand how quality education of children, hygienic and healthy condition of living, nutritious food, better living facilities, etc. are related to the size of population either in family or in the nation as a whole. So population education, it is a program to arouse awareness among the people about adverse effects of population explosion and to control population growth through various programs and planning formulated by the government. In the Southeast Asia Regional Workshop held in Bangkok in 1970, UNESCO declared that population education, it is an educational program which provides for a study of the population, situation of the family, community, nation and world with the purpose of developing in the students rational and responsible attitude and behavior towards that situation. Even Gopal Rao have defined that population education, it is an educational program which provides for a study of the population phenomenon so as to enable the students to take rational decision towards problem arising out of the rapid population growth. Burbson said, population education is an exploration of knowledge and attitude about population, the family and sex. Pandey 1985 has defined population education as population education is basically an education in human resource development. The ultimate objective of this education is to bring an attitudinal change in the people towards socio-cultural norms, traditional beliefs and values that promote pro-nationality among them and that prevent an articulate appreciation of developmental perspective. So on 11th May 2000, the Indian government had declared that the total number of population was 100 crore, and in the same year, in the year 2000, to control population, government passed population policy. So what are the objectives of the population education? Population education helps in knowing relation between population and the socio-economic condition. It helps in knowing trends of population growth. Population education helps in knowing techniques of science and technology that has lowered the tendency of birth and death rate. Population education helps us to know the effect of population explosion on environment. Population education helps us to understand about the benefits of small family, which helps in the development of peace and prosperity. It enables us to know the maintenance of healthy life through small family. Now, what are the nature and the characteristics of population education? It is a scientific study of causes and consequences of population growth. It also provides scientific reason to develop within people intellectual thinking about population-related matter and accordingly help in changing the attitude, knowledge and skill towards population issues. So it reflects the relative environmental and socio-economic consequences of population growth and makes people aware of detrimental effect of population growth. So population education arranges situation to implement various measures to solve the population problem. So what are the needs of the population education? Why do we need this education? It helps in removing the blind beliefs that exist in the minds of the people. For the maintenance of quality life, this education is very essential. So population education is essential for improving quality of general education. It's the population education studies on the problems arising from population explosion and the measures to cope with them. Population education helps in establishing equality of sexes by helping women to acquire the rightful status and become equal to their male counterparts. It is essential for creating a responsible citizen. So how can we give or make aware regarding the population education in the educational institutions? In 1971, NCERT declared that population education should be started at the primary school stage and continue till the secondary stage. At the primary stage, school concept of small families should be given to the children. At the secondary stage, historical background of increasing population along with the data of population growth of different countries should be given. Some thinkers said that at the secondary stage, population education should be given as a separate subject. The other thinkers said that it should be given through different topics or chapters of few subjects. Example, through history, knowledge of developmental trend of population can be given, and through literature, problems arising out of population explosion can be shown. Sex education should be given to the adolescents. At the college level, knowledge on different parts of the body should be given. Concept of reproductive system should be included in the course of study. And research scholars can also do research work on the population related topic. And population education, it can be included as a subject in different training centers. Now, what are the scope of the population education? In the international conference held in 1993 and 1994, NCERT said for inclusion of 6 subjects in the course of population education. They are family life, equality of sexes, adolescence reproductive system, health and hygiene, health and education, long-term development, and urbanization and migration. Generally, population education finds its content and scope in the following aspects: family life education, population policy, physiology of human reproduction, population explosion and its effect on environment, and population dynamic. So let us conclude. Population education is a program through which the rate of increasing population, problem arising out of them, solution of the problems, and the ways of controlling them can be known. Different thinkers have defined population education in a different way, and population education, it is a part of both human resource development and environmental education. It is wider than the sex education. Population education is essential for the maintenance of the quality life. In all the stages of education, population education, it should be introduced and develop awareness among the students. So thank you.